Spams. Spams are those emails or messages that you don't want, that you have not asked for. So this term spam refers to UCE, unsolicited commercial email, and unsolicited bulk email, UBE. So it is flooding the internet with various number of copies of same message in an attempt to force the message on people who would not otherwise choose to receive it, because it is coming, it is on their email. You can also say that they are junk email. So these unsolicited email mostly contains advertisement of services or product. Some of the spams, they are from marketers, but users who are trying to deceive the users, this can also be a kind of spam. So most commonly we see phishing scams. They are very popular and dangerous form of email fraud. We have foreign bank scams, and or you can say advanced fee fraud schemes, other get rich quick and make money fast schemes, quack health products and remedies. So spams or the emails, they are not only they are unwanted, they are actually clogging your email account and server space if they are unnecessarily bulging it or using it. So this will create burden on the server for the normal business. And since internet is essentially a public platform, so we may not be completely able to stop these spams email, but precaution can be taken. You can block some spam, report it as a spam, and most of the email hosts can identify such users which are sending spams, and they can filter them. So spam, actually, why it is so much in the internet? Because it takes no cost to send them. Most of the costs are paid by the recipient or the carriers rather than by the sender. So it is because of this additional cost that most of the hosts are very keen that users, they use spam filters as well as report spams as they can be stopped.